guess what? Today is the day, guys. Today has come, and y'all probably like, what day is it? What are you hinting at? Boom! Your boy is getting a liner. Byte is, helping your boy out here. So, my teeth, gotta get these boys right, like they ain't the worst, but they ain't the best. But I'm sure Byte is gonna get me right. So Byte is gonna get me right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing my impression kit right now, right here in front of you all, and we gonna see how it goes. So hopefully, if it go well for me, which I'm pretty sure it will, y'all can get a little bit too. And if you stay tuned, you will understand that if you rock with your boy and you decide to get Byte, you can get you an impressions kit. You can get yourself started on a little discount. You know what I'm saying? So let's get started. Let's see what's up with Byte and get myself right. Hey. I'm excited about this, man. And I've always seen Byte. I've always seen a lot of influencers try Byte. And I'm happy to be partnering with Byte. So if you use the coupon code Corey Jones, you will be able to get the aligner kit, impression kit for $19.99. So hey, that's the deal. So make sure y'all use Corey Jones or just use the link in the description. Let's get started. As it see here, say, show you. Hold on, what to say? Show us what you got. You look good, but you're about to look better. Your boy about to look better. Just let y'all know now. All right, so they have the impressions quick start guide right here. Let's see, this might be a little complicated for you, boy. We got impression putty. Whoa. And what's in this red box? I like the packaging. Like Byte, y'all have some nice packaging, I must say that. We gonna ship our impressions back in this box, okay? Okay, don't toss this out. So yeah, they done gave us some gloves. I'm guessing this is for the putty. I don't even know what a mouth stretcher is, but we gonna see. The mouth stretcher. And I guess this is for the impressions. Okay, so I'm guessing we're gonna do 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, I'm assuming. Before you begin, make sure your impression trays fit comfortably in your mouth. Let's see. Make sure the bottom fit, huh? Okay. Yeah, they fit. All right, mixing putty. Only mix putty for 1 tray at a time. Grab your timer. Okay, so I need a timer, okay? Okay, so they have different type of putty. So we got a dark putty and we got a light putty. And it says, only mix putty for 1 tray at a time. Be sure to grab a timer. Take 1 dark putty container and 1 light putty container and quickly mix together to form 1 solid color. The putty hardens quickly, so be sure to do so within 30 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. So we gonna get our hand-me-dandy gloves here. Lord, please help me not mess this up. The good thing about Byte, they give you options. So you can do an option where you can wear your aligners all day and just take them out, I believe, at night. Or you can do an option where you do nighttime only. Of course, the nighttime only option will be longer, but if you're patient, you probably can do that. I did the daytimes, but now that I'm thinking of, I might email them back and say, hey, I'm gonna need to do nighttime because I be talking during work and stuff like that on calls and stuff, and I can't be having a list while I'm talking. Like, it's gonna be a lot. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. You gotta mix the putty, the light and the dark. Gotta do this within 30 seconds. Let me put my timer on. See, I'm already about to mess up. Grab this. We gotta mix these together like this until it turns 1 color. So I'm about to be 30 seconds all over. Mine ain't 1 color yet. Well, oh yeah, it is 1 color. Never mind. We good. Now it say roll into a 4-inch cylinder. I think this is 4 inches. Seems about 4 inches to me. And then we gonna place that in there like that. just like that. And then make sure Putty fits the entire, okay, it fit the entire thing. Sure. Place and hold for 3 minutes, okay? All right, for timer. I hope this didn't come off easy, cause I remember the first time I had braces in middle school, it was hard to get these jokers off. All right, so I done did all the impressions. Now I just have to send them off in the mail, and then they will send my aligners. I'm supposed to be taking a picture of, well, a few pictures of my teeth, but I don't know how to put this in my mouth. Then I upload those pictures to the portal, and then from there, they'll send me my aligners, and then we start the journey. The reason I'm getting these aligners is because I actually had braces in middle school, and still ended up not wearing my retainers like that, and teeth shift, and you know how that go. When you don't have discipline when you're little, things like that happen. So that's why I'm getting these aligners, to just correct the little bit of corrections that I need to perfect the smile, to perfect the bite. And yeah, I'm excited, man. But yeah, make sure y'all use that coupon code Corey Jones or the link in the description below, and you will get your impressions kit for only $19.99. You cannot beat that. All right, so as y'all can see, I sent in the moldings. They went in, they did what they had to do, and now your boy got the aligners. So it says Byte at night because I actually emailed them and was like, yo, instead of doing it all daytime, just let me do the nights. I just want to put these on at night and call it a day. Is that a double entendre? I told them, let me not do the daytime. I just want the nights. Let's just call it a day. Ooh. Better and better with every bite. So let's open the box and let's see I'm gonna let y'all see what's in the box before me. What y'all see? What y'all see? Your dream smile is here. Byte at night. Okay, so we have the personal aligners here, and then let's accessorize. I don't know, but I like the branding and the packaging of Byte. I think I said that in the last one, but this is just phenomenal. I didn't know that it also, boom, wow, yo, this packaging. They really thought this out. Okay, it's the small things for me, and here they are. The personal aligners are in here, and I think they are labeled by step 1, step 2. Okay, cool. Opening the pack, put them on, inserting your aligners gently, and push them. How you open the pack though? Push them over your front teeth. Oh man, these things are kind of tight. Swap out aligners every week. I thought it would be harder to talk with, but it's not too bad to talk with. I mean, it still takes some getting used to. So we have the container that you put them in. What is this? We have the Hyper Byte here. We have Bright Byte, on the go cleaning, freshening, whitening foam. Wear your aligners every night for at least 10 continuous hours. Anytime you wear them longer than 10 hours, go ahead and leave them in longer. Wow. Removing your aligners, start at the back of your teeth. Use fingers to remove on one side. Having trouble? Reach the extraction tool. Oh, that thing was the extraction tool. Thing's tight. We got them, guys. We got the aligners. They fit just a little tight. I can definitely feel the tightness on my teeth. Yeah, I'm excited about this journey. As y'all can see, again, this is how my teeth look. But yeah, definitely check out Byte. I'll leave everything in the description below. Peace.